Talk to Dada. Tell me a story. Is he funny? Tell me a story.
Just once upon a time.
Evan, tell me a story.
Jonathan, why don't you sit with Evan?
Evan, tell me a story. Tell Jonathan a story.
No.
Yeah, you're telling him a story, huh? Is it? He's serious.
Can you take a picture?
Yeah, it's my turn. Whenever I'm done, you can have it. Yeah, you got a lot to say.
Hey.
Touch.
Hi, buddy.
Hi, you telling me a story?
Hi, honey. I love you.
That's.
Are you telling Daddy a story?
Hi. Hi. There you go. Hi. I got those feet. I got those feet. I got the big boy. I got the big boy. I got the little boy.
Evan, where did Jonathan go?
Big big.
There he is. Evan, where did Jonathan go?
Abu. Abu.
There he
that
is.
smile?
Where's Jonathan?
Where's Jonathan?
There he is.
Peekaboo. 3-year-old Jonathan and 4-month-old Evan.
Are you telling me still more stories?
Hi. Hi, my stinker. What's your brother being silly? Whoa.
I want to walk.
Hold on, I'm gonna pause.
Oh.